Here are Blossom, Bubbles, and Bud, the 3 stars of Whoopass Stew. That was the original name of the Powerpuff Girls, which was Craig McCracken's student art film project at CalArts. At the time, McCracken wasn't really envisioning it as a show for kids. That said, it was picked up by Cartoon Network, where the studio execs made McCracken change the name to something a little more kid-friendly, and the Powerpuff Girls was born. Before the launch of that first season, McCracken also changed the name Bud to Buttercup. A few other tidbits. In an episode called Twisted Sister in Season 2, the 3 Powerpuff sisters create a somewhat flawed 4th Powerpuff Girl named Bunny to assist them in their crime fighting. Instead, Bunny lets all the criminals in Townsville out of jail before correcting her mistake. She then explodes, leaving only a piece of her clothing. That's right, Bunny dies. Kind of kooky for a kids show. Did you know George Jetson made a cameo in the Powerpuff Girls? That's right, in an episode called Major Competition, George Jetson is seen in the streets of Townsville. Weirdly, at one point, he seems to be missing his arms. I love when stuff like that happens. And finally, Season 4, Episode 10 of the Powerpuff Girls, titled Forced Kin, aired on June 28, 2002. It stands as the official final cartoon produced by Hanna-Barbera's Productions. Truly the end of an era. After that, Powerpuff Girls was produced under the Cartoon Network banner. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on drawing the Powerpuff Girls and hundreds of other videos.